I will be showing you my updated version on how to tint your lace frontal using a 370 wig and a 360 wig. I'm going to be using a 370 wig as my first wig to demonstrate this method to you. We're going to be using a holding spray. You can use any holding spray of your choice, and your foundation. Always use the foundation that you use for your face. So don't use any foundation that you don't normally use on a day-to-day basis. And you're going to need a sponge also. So you're going to spray your holding spray on. You can be generous with the amount that you spray on. And then you're going to wait for the holding spray to dry. You can use a hair dryer for you to do this. And once everything is dry, just tap it just to make sure that there isn't any wetness in your hand. And if you can see there's no wetness in your hand, then you know you're good to go. And then once that's done, start applying your foundation on. Take your time when you're doing this. Don't apply too much of your foundation on, because if you do, it's going to leak through the lace. Some of you did leave a comment saying that your foundation leaked through the lace using my first method, which was without the hairspray. But with this method, you should avoid that. But also with me saying that is, if your foundation is leaking through the lace, then that's because you've applied way too much. So just keep doing this method all the way around. Now I'm using a new camera and you can't really see how much foundation I've got on, but there is a generous amount of foundation on there. You've got the option to spray one more layer of the holding spray onto your wig, but it's totally up to you. I tend not to do that. If you just want that extra hold of your foundation, then you can do that. And because it's a 360 wig, we have to tint in between the weft and the lace at the back, because those areas are usually left behind. And if you are holding your hair up in a ponytail, you definitely want that to be tinted, because if it's not tinted, it just looks like a brown lace, and in some cases could be a grey lace, which is not natural. You just have to take your time when you're doing this, and don't worry, because the foundation does last for a long time. Even after you've washed your wig several times, it really doesn't leave, so it will be there for months and months and months. I rarely touch up my wigs with foundation because I don't really have to. It does stay on for a very long time. And the most important thing about this method is it does not damage the lace. As for bleaching, will damage your lace, and it will cause a lot of shedding, meaning that you've just spent money for nothing. I will be cutting off the lace at the back before wearing this wig. And this is how it looks once it's all finished. As you can see, my camera light is finally picking up the tinted lace. And this is how your wig should look. As you can see, every area has been tinted on this 370 frontal wig. You can use this method on a normal lace wig, but I'm just showing you on a 360 and a 370 frontal. You can also use this method on a lace frontal. You can park this 370 wig anywhere. You'll be able to see a very nice tinted lace, which looks like your scalp. And this is all achieved with just your everyday foundation, nothing else. It looks so beautiful, and it looks so natural. This is the same method, but this is on a 360 wig. And I do exactly the same thing. I spray it first, make sure that the spray goes all the way around. The tint is a bit more visible on this 360 wig because I adjusted the light, but it does kind of go off as well as in some places. I like using a little brush to fill in any patches on the lace. And I just continue this way using my sponge to go around the back area. This is a lazy way of doing it, but it still works. My new camera is playing with me today. Now you can see the fullness of this tint. I've sewn in the hair combs behind for another video that was released previously to this one, showing you how to hold your hair up in a ponytail only using that method. The same thing with the 370 wig. With the 360 you can part it anywhere and it looks really, really natural. You can see from the hairline whilst I'm wearing the wig, it looks so natural. And you know this is my favorite part, trying on the wigs. I'm gonna come up close to show you the parting of the 370. It goes all the way back. this hair was so full at the front and I didn't have time to press it as flat as I would like it. But you can see how nice that lace is tinted and it looks just like my skin.